My name is Daniel Epstein. I'm running for Justice of the Illinois Supreme Court. Thank you for your work and for your consideration. Operation Greylord was a massive government investigation that revealed that our court officials were taking money to deliver outcomes in cases. We went through Greylord for years and years to kick money out of our courts, to make sure that courts had no incentives other than to find truth. We threw judges in prison and then patted ourselves on the back. But today, in Illinois, if courts convict, they get extra money. We went through Greylord to root out judicial corruption, to make sure that the private interests of judges don't interfere with their public duties. But today, in Illinois, justices get to decide their own alleged conflicts of interest, like pitchers calling their own balls and strikes. We went through Burge. We're still going through Burge. We paid millions upon millions of dollars to people who were electrocuted and tortured and falsely convicted. And we wagged our fingers at the police and called for accountability, but didn't ask our courts to shoulder any of it. And today, in our criminal courts, we still don't guarantee the depositions that would allow us to expose pattern misconduct before it's too late. We went through Batson. We screamed about the problem of racist jury selection and cheered when Batson was decided. And then we realized that Batson was toothless, and we simply gave up. And so today, we're just as vulnerable to racist jury selection as we always were. And when I tell people those stories and others like it, they say, I'm surprised, but I'm not surprised. Which means they're surprised to learn the details, but they're not too surprised, because they already believe that our justice system is broken. The thing that I tell them that really shocks them, the thing that they've never been convinced of before, the thing that's allowing me to build a following across this county, is how we can fix it. And I'm here to tell you, we can fix it. Greylord represents the most important improvement to Illinois' justice system since the passage of our state's constitution. And the person who made it happen didn't have 30 or 20 or even 10 years of experience. It was spurred by a young lawyer named Terry Hake. He wasn't the only one who knew about the corruption in our courts. He was surrounded by people with decades of experience with that corruption. But over those years, they'd grown used to it. Terry Hake hadn't grown used to it. And he was the idealist who did something about it. We need that now. My name is Daniel Epstein, and I'm running for Justice of the Illinois Supreme Court. Thank you.